Guys, I'm gonna be unboxing my friend's gift because it's almost Valentine's Day and she already have a gift, and tomorrow I'm gonna bring mine because I forgot mine. No, this is the double-sided and stickers. Okay, oh my gosh, my paper cut. What's that? Characters. Let's see what's inside. Clothes, food, body, melody, Kuromi. What's this? Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, he's correct. So creative. Is this supposed to be open? Okay. And candy. Is there more? Oh yeah, three bracelets. Okay. Aww, look. Bracelet. Yeah. I'm not considered yung bracelet. Okay. Tapos na. But I don't know if it's supposed to be open. And it has my name in it. Oh. I'm still gonna open this. Did I hit the hey? Oh, look! Dollhouse. Oh, she's a baby. Let's see. Let's look at first. I think this is oh, she's broken.